What is technology? Benchmarks for learning. Technology uses knowledge to turn resources into goods and services. Technology extends our natural abilities. Inventions and innovations have changed our society. Scientists study and explain the natural world, whereas technologists design new products and systems. Vocabulary: technology, invention, innovation, natural world, human-made world, designing, investigating, and scientific inquiry. We need to pay attention to these ideas I just read over. Technology in our daily lives. Your alarm clock buzzes. You switch it off and check the large blinking numbers that show the time. You turn on the radio so you can listen to music. Once you get up, you switch on the lights in the bathroom and turn on the hot water for a shower. You prepare breakfast from foods that are kept fresh in a refrigerator. Maybe you get a ride to school in a bus or car. All these activities and products are made possible by technology. For most of us, nearly every part of our daily routine, from the time we get up to the time we go to sleep, depends on or is affected by technology. Artificial lighting makes it possible for us to be up and busy before dawn. Television and the internet bring us live news from around the world. We wear clothes that were designed on a computer and made from both natural and synthetic fabrics. Thermostats wired to modern furnaces and air conditioners keep our homes at comfortable temperatures. Technology shapes our lives in all these ways. Some cultures, such as certain native South Pacific Islanders or African tribes, are less dependent on advanced technology. People awake when the sun rises, they wash up when they can in nearby lakes or streams, they travel relatively short distances and live off the land. Because of technology, our lives are very different from theirs. This text will help you learn how technology has become a part of our lives. As you read, you will learn our routines from the way we move about, work, learn, and communicate are all affected by technology. Defining technology. Technology makes use of human knowledge to convert resources into the goods and services that people need. Raw materials such as stone and wood are used to construct buildings. Solar energy is converted into electricity. Natural gas powers the furnaces that heat some of our homes. Technology extends people's natural abilities. We can reach higher with ladders. We can swim underwater with scuba tanks. Like skydivers, we can float through the air. We can communicate over great distances using telephones. We can even fly to the moon, circle it for months, and then fly back to Earth again. Sometimes technology allows the development of an entirely new device or product. This is called an invention. An invention can be very simple, such as a toothbrush, or it can be very complex, such as a computer or cell phone. Over time, an invention may be improved. This improvement is called an innovation. Because of innovations, technological devices used today are smaller, cheaper, and more powerful than the first models developed by inventors. We spend less time than our ancestors did on tasks such as cleaning and cooking. The innovations of technology have changed our daily lives dramatically. Comparing technology and science. Although people often talk about science and technology together, each field has a different focus. Science studies the natural world, Earth, space, and all living things not created by humans. Technology deals with human-made world, buildings, bridges, communication systems, manufactured goods, and all things that are products of human creativity. Technologists. Technologists do their work by designing and maintaining products, structures, and systems. Designing is the process of creating and planning a product or system. Unlike scientists, technologists are not looking for answers to questions about the natural world. Rather, they are looking for ways to make the natural world easier to live in. Technologists do not expect to find correct answers. Instead, they look for the best solutions to problems when there are maybe several good solutions. Technologists use their knowledge and tools to turn resources into goods and services that society needs. They deal with the human-made world and its products and systems. Architects, engineers, product designers, and technicians are all technologists. Scientists. Scientists try to understand things that occur in nature. They do their work by investigating the world around them. They explain the natural world based on the evidence they find in their investigations. This process of examination is called scientific inquiry. In scientific inquiry, scientists observe and record the events around them. They perform careful experiments to test the effect of one thing, such as sunlight, on another, such as plant growth. Technology helps scientists in their experiments. Devices such as a microscope and telescope help scientists learn more about the natural world. Biologists, chemists, and physicists are all scientists. Working together. Scientists and technologists work together. What scientists discover, technologists put to use. Scientific discoveries have brought about the invention of new technologies. When X-rays were discovered, scientists noticed that this form of energy had the power to pass through metal and human flesh, producing images of the insides of objects and people. This knowledge led to the development of the X-ray machine, which technologists use, for example, to treat medical patients and to photograph passenger suitcases at airports. Technology also helps the development of science. X-rays are used for research in geology, chemistry, biology, and physics, and devices such as the microscope and the telescope help scientists learn more about the natural world.